DIFOT is an industry-specific acronym. It's used to mean delivery in full, on time. Sometimes there's a Q added to the end as well for quality, so to specification essentially. But what it means is, when a customer orders something from me, what's my hit rate in getting what they ordered to them for when they were expecting it, and the Q bit to the specification that they were expecting. This is a really important measure to manufacturing or businesses, because it is a key determinant in whether that customer comes back and buys from me again. If they can rely on me to get them what they asked for, when they asked for it, or when we agreed that we were going to deliver it, they're more likely to come back to me again, because I'm going to be the one who helps them hit their KPIs, what they're going to get measured on. So DIFOT, delivery in full, on time, is a critical measure